Welcome back to Little Toys Big Adventures. This is what I got for Christmas.
Who gave you that?
Santa! I'm Bailey and I'm ready to play. So this button turns her off. This makes her sing. I wiggle my ears, you should try it too. Wiggly, 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 wiggly. Say something silly and I'll repeat it. Hello.
It's pretty awesome, eh?
Yeah. This is how she tells this story. She says bah. Yep, I really liked her.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm Bailey. Tell me something fun and I'll repeat it. Seeing your friends on a sunny day. Seeing your friends on a sunny day. Seeing your friends on a sunny day. Seeing your friends on a...
Yeah.
N is for night.
Can you show everyone how she does that story where she gets you to say something?
Night. Let's count my paws. Oh, hold on. Make an excited sound. Yay. I can't really do it because it's kind of hard for me. Anyway.
Okay.
I just don't to turn her off.
Well, hold on for 1 second. So another cool thing about this is that if you open up her, she does sing, and she's interactive, so she'll make a story with what you say to her. But also, so there's a volume and also a level. So we're on level 3, but you can do level 1 or level 2, and she'll just babble. And we're just at High Rock because you needed to take your dog for your puppy for a little walk, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love her.
Excellent. Okay.
And I even made a little bed for her, and like I used ornament for my Christmas tree that wasn't really working, but it's still lit up for a nightlight for her.
Perfect. Yeah. So she's a pretty good addition to our family.
Bye. Please subscribe.